Did you hear that?
You aren't scared, are you?
How's it going?
No! Stay back!
Hey, what did I ever do to you? With that thing.
My goodness!
Man!
Oh, my.
See that shot?
Oh, no!
I have a bad feeling about this.
Well, so much for the government.
Hey, it's no good up there. It's all sealed off. The only way out...
Their idea of containment is to kill everyone associated with the project. It can't get any worse than this. You are completely wrong.
That was close. This place is a lot bigger than I thought.
You can't be serious. I just want to get out of this alive. Can't we just get along? I hope those containment parameters are still nominal.
Jeez, and I thought I had a long night.